Welcome back to my channel. This is Cyclist. So today I'm going to do a night ride with my group, and this ride is going to be fun with a lot of food points. It's going to be a short ride with a lot of food. Join with me and let's have a fun ride tonight. See you guys. Reached the starting point and waiting for other riders. Few riders are yet to come. They are gonna leave now. I forgot my GoPro mount in my house, so I don't know how far I'll be able to mount on my bike. So we'll be starting another 5 minutes. Yeah, in 5 minutes let's start pannom. Let's go. Go. We are entering the first spot, and this beach is the second largest in the world and Asia's largest beach. And this is our first food spot. Wait for it. We have reached the food spot number 1 and searching for the place where it is. Yeah. Here we are, the first spot, the Kulfi spot. So, here is Mr. Nagaraj, and we are here for the famous Kulfi in Marina. So this Kulfi is 35 rupees, just 35 rupees, and it is delicious. So here is that famous Kulfi
at Marina Beach.
Marina Beach.
You know, no?
Very tasty, and we'll ask the man himself like what he adds to the Kulfi.
Bhai, and ice kuda bhai. Bhai.
I could see a lot of dry grapes and badam. I could see a cashew here. It tastes so good. I see a lot of natural dry fruits. It's very tasty. So they are going for one more Kulfi. All are like just waiting for another round of Kulfi. He is busy talking on the phone. Yeah, culprit. How is the Kulfi?
Very nice. After all struggles, I've come here, and thank you, Nick.
What all?
Super irukku. Inno nariya surprises irukku nenikiren.
We are going to leave this place. We are going to start from here, and and we are going to the spot number 2, food spot number 2. Wait for it. Yeah, there he is, and we found him. Here we go.
அங்கெல்லாம் நேரம் வீட்டுக்கு வந்துருக்கு. நான் புடிச்சிட்டு போட்டுருந்துருக்கேன். 2:30 வரைக்கும் வெயிட்டில் இருப்பேன் நைட்டு. நம்பர் இருக்குல்ல, கால் பண்ணி மோர் தான் கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிக்காங்க, வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கலாம் 2:30 வரைக்கும். 2:30 3 மணிக்கு கூட இருக்கலாம்.
சூப்பர்.
ஏன் பச்சு வியாபாரம் பண்ண வேண்டியது.
There is a more. It's buttermilk. This is just $40. So here it is, guys. So I'm going for another round. Probably the best buttermilk I can ever see. Have a drink. I don't know.
அப்படி குடிச்சாலும் டெக்டாக மூவ் பண்ணுவாங்க நல்லா. 14.
Probably the best buttermilk. It's delicious, right? So he puts in a lot of bundi and cucumber, some chilies. It tastes so good. Here we go. This is the third food spot. This is exactly in Medavakkam junction, maybe a bit, you need to take a diversion. Exactly opposite to the Hot Chips in Medavakkam. The shop is called Chickenly. Let's go in. So it's 1:10 a.m. and we are inside Chickenly restaurant. He's the owner. Nice olna. So they have all types of food. This time vegetarian, non-vegetarian, and we are here to hunt food. So here is it is Natakodi barbecue.
சூடாக இருக்குப்பா. Awesome.
done and we are so full, feeling sleepy. So next is going to be at our home. See you guys at home. And I'm home. Chennai is so beautiful the nights, right? All the lights, the free roads, the beaches and the food there. You guys should try this. Kulfi in Marina, Thatha in Thiruvanmiyum, and the briyani in Medavakkam. All these are must tries in Chennai. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until then, this is Cyclist signing off. See you guys.